Hi everyone, today I'm going to be demonstrating one of my delicious breakfast bowls, an acai berry bowl. All you need is your acai berry pulp. So I'm using here sambazon and it's pure, unsweetened and organic. I've got some frozen berries here and I've got some frozen bananas. You also will need a food processor to make this all come together. And for my toppings, I've got some delicious seasonal fruits with some lovely granola and delicious natural peanut butter. So into my food processor here, just going to release the lid. I'm going to add the 2 packets. So this serves 2. So I'm going to add in the 2 packets here. And I've just taken them out of the freezer just to thaw slightly. So I'm adding in the pure unsweetened acai pulp. And I've got 2 frozen bananas here. So again, I've just let them thaw out for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to add those in. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of frozen berries here. So I'm going to add those in. I'm now going to add in my crunchy peanut butter. And actually on this lovely jar of Pix peanut butter actually says life-changing, and I can guarantee you it certainly is. So I'm going to add in 2 generous tablespoons. So this just gives your acai berry bowl some extra protein. You can add protein powder if you like, but I'm just adding in natural peanut butter for protein here. So I'll pop that in. Okay, and then pop the lid on. And then literally you just blitz this all up and there you go, you've got breakfast in minutes. So occasionally it's good to just give the machine a little stop and just wipe around the edges just to make sure that everything's evenly incorporated. Smells amazing. Place the lid back on and just give it a further blitz. Then just check and make sure that it's all blended together and you've got no chunks. If you have, again, just give it another wipe around the edges and just give it a further blitz. And then you're ready. So I think that's ready now. It looks nice and smooth and blended. I'm going to release the lid and then I'm just going to lift this off and then I'm going to pop my bowl here. And this makes enough for 2 people. So this is a lovely breakfast to have maybe on a Sunday morning when you've got a little bit extra time. You can just fill up 2 bowls with a generous amount of the acai berry bowl. As I said before, you can add your preferred protein powder if you like, but the peanut butter gives it that lovely creaminess taste. So always release the blade and just be careful. So I'm going to pop that into a separate bowl on the side so I don't touch it. And then just make sure that the bowls are completely full and you haven't left anything in your food processor. And then we're going to get decorating. So the toppings that I have today are granola, berries, and some flax seeds. It's entirely up to you how you like to fill your bowls. So here we go. I'm going to add in some blackberries. With your fillings, you can make them like a rainbow. I'm using lovely berries here. So I've got blackberries, I've got blueberries here. You can add coconut, you can add seeds, nuts. You can actually add a little bit more peanut butter at the side. So I've got strawberries coming on here now. You can have kiwi. It's absolutely endless with what you can fill them with. And it's really fun actually to get the children involved with this. If you're looking for a fun breakfast idea for kids, it's really fun. You could do like a competition and see who's got the most effective, colourful bowl. But it's great for adults too. So there's my raspberries. So as you can see, you've got all the colours. I'm just going to add on a little bit of flaxseed here. And then I'm going to top it with one of my homemade granolas. So it's a great way to use staples from your pantry and just have a bit of fun with it. So this breakfast bowl is totally delicious and nutritious, packed with antioxidants, nutrition, vitamins, minerals, everything. It's a wonder bowl, so I absolutely love it. I'm just going to dive in here. I would say life-changing and heaven in a bowl.